Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to pay bills online with Capital One. Let's get straight into the video. First off, for setting up bill pay, what you want to do is to log into your Capital One online banking account and then just navigate to the pay bill tab to access the pay bill feature. And then you just want to add a payee and enter the payee's name and address and account number, and also verify the payee's information to ensure accurate payments. Now, on making a payment, what you want to do is to select the payee you want to pay from your list of payees, and then just enter the payment amount and select the payment date. And now just choose the payment method. That could be with your Capital One's checking account, or it could be from your credit card. And then once that's settled, just confirm the payment details and submit the payment. Now, for scheduling payments, you can schedule a one-time payment for a specific date, or you could also set up recurring payments such as monthly or quarterly payments. You can also edit or cancel payments as needed. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.